Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this Asus gaming PC. It's a laptop. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your computer. This video is for education purpose only. Remember that when you do this method, you delete everything from your computer, including videos, pictures, documents, applications. All the settings that you apply to this computer will be removed. So be aware of that. So before you do this, please make a backup, save everything in a external hard drive or a USB drive. Okay. So we need to go to here on the left. I hope you can see it. And from here we go to settings, right here, settings. From here we go to this right here, update and security. And from here we go to update and security. Right here we go to recovery. And right here you see where it says reset this PC. Okay, so we click get started here. Get started. And he say here, choose an option, keep my files, remove everything. I'm gonna choose remove everything because I don't need to save. I don't want to save nothing. So, but if you want to save files or you want to keep them, just choose keep my files. Okay. But it's better to do a backup first or save your important files. So I'm gonna choose remove everything. Right here it said additional settings. Remove apps and clean in files. Do not clean the drive. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that's what I want. So next. Getting things ready. Okay. Ready to reset the PC. Resetting will remove all the personal files in user account on this PC. Remove any changes made to the settings. Remove any apps and programs that didn't come with the PC. Reinstall Windows from this device. This will take a while on your PC will reset. Okay, you're gonna take I don't know, maybe an hour. So I'm gonna post video, okay, but I'm gonna show you every step. So now click reset. So preparing to restart. This device will automatically restart. Okay, it will restart many times, so be patient and make sure you do this when you have time. Okay, so I'm gonna pause my video now. So 27%, so it's kind of fast. So I think it's gonna take like 30-40 minutes. We'll see. Okay, it's 62%. So let's keep going. Okay, it's 81% and it's been there for a few minutes. So don't worry. It's just doing its thing. So as you see right now, it is a 99%. So now it's going to restart. Preparing. Installing Windows 2%. Okay, so Like I said, it's gonna take like around 30-40 minutes, okay?
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, before...
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Okay, I'm going to I'm not gonna use Cortana anymore, so I'm gonna mute and let me see if I can choose. I don't want to connect now. Well, from here you need to connect to the internet. Okay, just a minute. Let me get my password.
Now type your credentials.
So right there, you type your password. Then next.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Next.
Now we have some important setup to do. Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Voice mode on. Still setting things up.
That's how you mute Cortana. Just click right here, the microphone. Then you want the back.
Voice, thanks for your patience. Please don't turn off your device. Okay, we got through this part of setup. Fine, but then, no Windows.
So right here, accept.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
So I don't want to create an account. Create an account, sign with a security key. I don't want to. Let's see if I can skip this one, okay? Next. This next. Hold on 1 second, okay? Okay, there is no way to skip this, so I'm gonna type my email and click next. Enter password. Now next. Say it's not. Let me try again. Well, guys, from here I don't remember my password, or I don't know what's wrong, but you just need to type your email account and password, and then it should go through. And after that, just follow the steps, and then that's it. That's how you reset it. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can pause my video and come back. Okay. Okay, I don't have account with Microsoft, so I need to create one. So that's the only way I can go forward. So I'm gonna do it and then I come back. Okay, I choose create an account, and it's asking me my name, so I'm gonna type my name. And then I'm gonna click next. Password, I'm gonna create a password. I just create a password, so next, confirm password, and then click next. Create security questions. It's a lot of stuff, man. Okay, after you create it, next. The second, there is 3 security questions. Okay, so I answer all the 3 and choose my answer. So click next, and then just a moment. Okay, they say always have access to your recent browsing. Not now. Location, no, I don't want my location. Diagnostic, no. Find my device, no. Inking, typing, no. So accept. Just a moment. Let's customize your experience. Skip. Cortana help you to do things, not now. Let's see what's new from Windows. Okay, so Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 11, lock now. We're getting Windows 11 for you. Windows will begin downloading a few minutes after you reach your desktop. We'll let you know when time is okay. I wanna have Windows 11, so that's why I choose that one. Okay, so next. Hold on now. We just need to get few more things. Hi. We are getting everything ready for you. Okay, guys, so I think that's it. Let me close this one. Browse the web with the best performing browser on Windows. Just close this page. Okay, so that's it, guys. I reset this Asus Gaming laptop. It's a PC laptop. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, check my other videos, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.